Many students in faculty noticed the change in hours at the dining areas on campus. The student union now closes 6 hours earlier, and the Smart Market closes 3 hours earlier. Richard Curtis explains these changes.
At the beginning of this semester, as we opened the Jasmines, which was an additional venue, in addition to two more venues that we opened in the spring semester, that we had to review the traffic and set hours according to the designated needs of the students based upon their purchases and traffic patterns. We determined that based on the purchases and the traffic patterns, that we needed to adjust the hours in order to maintain services in all the locations. We've increased it from 7 food locations a year ago to now 10 food locations. As a businessman, I'd like everything open 24/7 with plenty of business so that I could be selling all the time. But the students have to determine that through their purchases. That purchasing power is what determines the hours. Each semester, we're going to meet with a focus group of students, some living on campus, some commuters, and also some faculty, and get together and come up with a consensus on what we think is working, and we'll take it for the next semester based on that end of the semester determination.
Richard states that the students are his first priority and the hours will change based on our needs. This is Jamie Dupart reporting for NCW News.